Welcome to lasa.africa. Today we initiate a program assembly of the MTL Storac 3T. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For the first step, we require 3 part A's, 3 part B's. Let's assemble. For the next step, we require 2 part C, 2 part D. Let's assemble. For the next step, we require our previous assemblies. 6 part number 1, the screws. And the item does come with an Allen key. Let's assemble. For the next step, we require our previous assemblies. 6 part number 1, the screw and the Allen key. Let's assemble. For the next step, we need our previous assembly. You can either use part 2, the feet, or part 4, the wheels. We'll be using the feet for this instance. Let's assemble. Thank you for watching the process assembly of our MTL Storac 3T. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our process assemblies, more of our products. Thank you.